to do your thing. We want to see what that is. Hopefully in the last week, some of you with more seniority have talked to Miss Wills and tried to demonstrate how she has to exercise control over her people, huh?
I was watching and cringing the whole time. I could not, I've never seen a CP be held in contempt before.
All right.
We've never done it.
Yeah.
Okay, the 37th Circuit Court is back in session with the Honorable Brian Kirkham presiding. Today is Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023 at 9:56 a.m.
Ms. Brown, you can proceed whenever you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Docket 2012-3914 DS and docket 2018-2367 DS. The respondent in both cases is Corvin Campbell. Mr. Campbell failed to appear today for an adjourned show cause hearing. He also is non-compliant. So friend of the court is asking that we issue bench warrants for his arrest and set the bonds per statute.
Court would enter a bench warrant for Mr. Campbell as a result of his failure to appear. The court would set his bond in the amount of 25% of the outstanding arrears or $500, whichever is greater.
That's all I have. Thank you.
Geez, okay. Have a good day.
All right. We'll
You
see.
too.
Ms. Mouton, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
Good.
Good.
I need to know, how is it that Ms. Brown's been able to get a hold of you or ahead of you all the last few weeks? I don't.
You know, she's just got it like that.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I just have a couple of matters for the record. I have docket 2016-0687 DS Spears versus Panera. The respondent, Brianna Spears, was ordered to appear this morning for a bench warrant hearing. Friend of the court did speak with her. She did waive her right to appear before Your Honor. Friend of the court is requesting that Ms. Spears be ordered to make a $200 lump sum payment by March 24th, 2023. That the bond of $300 that she posted on March 15th be forfeited. That should be ordered to pay as ordered beginning April 2023, and this matter be adjourned until May 17th, 2023 at 8:00 a.m.
Okay. Court would order that Ms. Spears would make a lump sum payment of $200 no later than March 24, 2023. Court would forfeit the bond previously posted by Ms. Spears and will adjourn the matter to May 17, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. to monitor her compliance in order that she comply with all orders of the court.
Thank you. And then the matters of Barossa versus Strong, docket 2000-0600 DS, and Berman versus Strong, docket 2011-2172 DP. And both of these matters, Mr. Strong was ordered to appear this morning for an adjourned compliance hearing. Friend of the court did speak with him and he did waive his right to appear. Mr. Strong has been making payments on his cases, and we have been able to confirm employment. So friend of the court is requesting that he be ordered to make a $100 lump sum payment on the 2000 docket by March 24th, 2023, and a $50 lump sum payment by March 24th, 2023 on the 2011 docket. And these matters be adjourned until May 17th, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. to allow income withholding to be established and to monitor his compliance.
Court would order that Mr. Strong would make a lump sum payment of $100 on the 2000 case and a lump sum payment of $50 on the 2011 case, both no later than March 24, 2023. And the court would adjourn the matters to May 17, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. to monitor implementation of income withholding.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have today.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
All right.
Good morning, Ms. Petrulio.
Good morning. How you doing this morning?
Doing well.
Good. Just a few matters for the record.
Okay,
Starting with Ronald Hill, docket 981333 DP. It was an adjourned hearing set for today. We're kind of waiting on the state of Georgia to conduct a support review on one of his other cases, which affects distribution to our case. And that's still not complete. So I'm asking for an adjournment to June 28, 2023 to allow that to be hopefully completed.
okay. Court would adjourn the matter to June 28, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. to again attempt to discern what Georgia's doing in their case.
Thank you. Aubrey Gonzalez had 3 cases today. They are dockets 2001-3210 DP, 2010-3818 DP, and docket 2013-2865 DP. Money is being paid through income withholding. Friend of the court's asking for dismissals in each case.
Okay, dismissals are granted.
Thank you. And then Robert Hill, docket 2010-998 DP. He had a bench warrant hearing scheduled for today's date. He made a payment to resolve the bench warrant, so there's no bond to address, but friend of the court is asking because he is not paying support as ordered and did not call in for his hearing today that a new bench warrant issue.
Court would enter a bench warrant for Mr. Hill as a result of his failure to appear on today's date. Court would set his bond in the amount of 25% of the outstanding arrears or $500, whichever is greater.
Thank you, Your Honor, and that's all I have.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
Good morning, Ms. Wells.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Doing well. And you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. All
Good.
right. I just have record matters for today.
Okay.
In the matter of docket number 2012-514 DP, Corey Wilk. Mr. Wilk waived his right to appear today. He has been in compliance for the last 2 months and has gotten his arrears on this docket below $600. Therefore, friend of the court requests the matter be set aside.
Dismissals granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. In regards to dockets numbers 2011-1720 DS and 2013-3316 DP and 2021-110 DS, William Watson IV. Mr. Watson called in for his hearing today. However, I was unable to get in touch with him, returning his call. Friend of the court requests the matter be adjourned to April 5th of 2023 at 8:45 to allow him the chance to appear.
Court would adjourn all 3 matters to April 5th, 2023 at 8:45 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Docket number 2018-1111 DS, Brandon Ulrich. Mr. Ulrich has failed to appear before Your Honor today and has failed to comply. Friend of the court requests a bench warrant be issued at the statute amount.
Court would enter a bench warrant for Mr. Ulrich as a result of his failure to appear on today's date. Court would set his bond in the amount of 25% of the outstanding arrears or $500, whichever is greater.
Thank you, Your Honor. In the matter of the following dockets, 1994-3622 DS, 1998-4050 DP, 1999-1601 DS, 2000-3253 DP, and 2003-3854 DP. In regards to Nathaniel Porter, friend of the court has met with Mr. Porter. He waived his right to appear for his hearing today. An agreement was reached with him. Mr. Porter is receiving SSI And the EO will be submitting his dockets for closure. Friend of the court is requesting this matter be dismissed at this time.
Dismissals are granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. And lastly, in the matter of docket number 2021-3391 in regards to Trevor Morey. Friend of the court has met with Mr. Morey. He waived his right to appear for his hearing today and agreement was met for him. Mr. Morey is currently incarcerated. Therefore, friend of the court was requesting that the matter be dismissed to allow the respondent to resolve his pending criminal matters. He is ordered to contact friend of the court within 14 days of his release. Upon his release, he agreed to be ordered into the ELITE program, and he is to continue to pay as ordered upon release.
Okay. The court will, in this matter, dismiss the cases and cancel any bond previously ordered. Would order Mr. Morey to report to the front of the court within 14 days of his release from incarceration, and that upon his release from incarceration, that he would participate in the ELITE program.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
Good morning.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing well.
Good. I've got several for the record, Your Honor.
Okay,
The following respondents have made an agreement and have waived their right to a hearing. Docket number 2010-000-465 DP involving Jake Odette. He is to pay as ordered starting April 1st. Front of the court's requesting this hearing be dismissed.
dismissals granted.
Docket number 2014-002641 DS involving Brad Judy. Mr. Judy is currently incarcerated in Calhoun County Jail on other charges. Front of the court's requesting his bond be canceled and he be released forthwith on the front of the court charge. He is to report to front of the court within 14 days of release and this hearing be dismissed.
Court would cancel the bond previously ordered for Mr. Judy in this matter. Would order that upon his release from incarceration that he would report to the front of the court within 14 days and will dismiss the action.
Thank you. Docket number 2009-001943 DM involving Lewis Buckner. He is to pay as ordered starting April 1st. In front of the court's requesting this hearing be dismissed.
Court would order that Mr. Buckner would comply with the orders, the previous orders of the court, and will dismiss the action.
Docket number 2013-002906 DS involving Sean Bray. Mr. Bray is currently in the Calhoun County Jail on other charges. Front of the court's requesting that he pay as ordered upon release. He is to contact front of the court within 14 days of his release. In front of the court's requesting this hearing be dismissed.
Court would order that Mr. Gray would report to the front of the court within 14 days of his release from incarceration, then comply with all orders of the court. Court will dismiss and vacate any bond that was previously ordered.
Docket number 2014-003055 DS involving Alicia Flynn. Ms. Flynn is an active participant with the ELITE program. So front of the court's requesting this hearing be adjourned 60 days to monitor her progress.
Court would adjourn the matter to 60 days to monitor Ms. Flynn's progress in the ELITE program.
Docket number 2018-001191 DM involving Quincy Bozell. Mr. Bozell is currently incarcerated at the Calhoun County Jail. Front of the court's requesting that his bond be canceled and he be released forthwith on the front of the court charge. Front of the court's requesting this hearing be adjourned 90 days.
Court would cancel the bond previously ordered for Mr. Bozell and will adjourn the matter 90 days to monitor his compliance the time that he's released from incarceration.
Dockets number 2019-000470 DP involving Antonio Reed, and docket number 2005-001091 DM involving Stephen Brown. Mr. Reed and Mr. Brown failed to appear for court this morning. Friend of the court's requesting a bench warrant to issue for their arrest and bond be set per statute.
Court would enter a bench warrant for Mr. Reed and Mr. Brown as a result of their failure to appear on today's hearings. Court would set their bonds in the amount of 25% of the outstanding arrears or $500, whichever is greater.
Docket number 2018-003201 DP involving Christopher Banks. Mr. Banks failed to appear for his show cause on March 16th, 2022 before referee Croteau. However, income withholding has started and payments have started to come in from the courts requesting that Mr. Banks pay as ordered April 1st, 2023, and this hearing be dismissed.
Court would order that Mr. Banks would comply with all orders of the court and will dismiss the case.
The following people failed to appear for show cause hearings before a referee. Docket number 2016-003215 DS involving Ryan Johnson. Docket number 2006-004226 DS involving Rashawn Turner. Docket number 2015-003256 DS involving Donald Dice. 2022-000977 DS involving Terrell Thomas. 2022-001229 DP involving Marcus Lipford. And docket number 2012-003356 DC involving Michael By. From the courts requesting a bench warrant to issue for each respondent and that the bonds be set per statute.
Court would enter bench warrants for Mr. Johnson, Mr. Turner, Mr. Guys, Mr. Thomas, Mr. Lipford, and Mr. By as a result of their failure to appear at their respective referee hearings. The court would set their bonds in the amount of 25% of the outstanding arrears or $500, whichever is greater, and further would assess court costs of $150 on each of the cases.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, bye-bye.
You have a good day.
You too.
Right.